Meaning of dental hygienist.
Dental hygienist.
Dental hygienist.
Dental hygienist.
Dental hygienist. A dental hygienist is a licensed oral health professional who works alongside dentists to provide preventative and therapeutic care to patients. They typically perform cleanings, take X-rays, apply fluoride and sealants, and educate patients on proper oral hygiene techniques. Dental hygienists play a crucial role in the prevention and treatment of gum disease and tooth decay. They also help identify early signs of dental problems and work with dentists to develop treatment plans. Overall, dental hygienists are essential members of the dental healthcare team who promote and maintain good oral health.